Welcome back, everyone. We're going to do another video. This one's going to be on Disney Junior Mini collectible mini figurines. Collect them all. This one is Series 3. It comes with a bunch of different ones you can get. You can't exactly see it on the camera because it's quite small. But there's a bunch of different poses and stuff. I believe there is a rare mini as well where she's in a dress. Hopefully we can pull that. But let's not hold our breath on it because the chances are probably really low. Let's go ahead and crack these open and see what we can get. I'm going to use a razor blade at the moment to try and loosen up this plastic because it doesn't look like there's a pull tab on these. There we go. There's one. I believe there's another piece of plastic under it. Let's do this. And let's do these real quick. Yeah. Lydia, we're opening these, baby. We're gonna open these and see what's in them. Yeah. You ready? We almost got it open. Yeah, we're opening it. You ready? We're gonna get it. See what we can get for you. Let's get these open real quick. Alright. Oh, if I don't drop the mic. Alright, here we go. You ready?
Ready.
Alright, let's see what we can get. It looks like we got... Who do you think it is? Yeah. It's from your little boutique. It's the Moo Lady. Goofy's girlfriend. You want to see her? Well, let's see, let them see her real quick. Get a good little view of her. Looks like she's dancing a little bit with a little sass. Alright, let's see. What all can we get out of here? There's the rare mini glitter. So glitter mini, tea party mini house, mermaid daisy duck, roller skate cuckoo-loca. We got Figaro. Then we have the cream puff puppy, roller skate daisy duck. And then we have the roller skate mini. Clarabelle is who you ended up getting on that one. Then we have the classic Minnie Mouse. Yeah, you see the list? You want to see it? Then there's a few other ones. You have the cell phone call mini, and you have the tea party daisy duck. See who we can get out of this one. Who do you think? Minnie? Oh, I think we got cream puff. Yeah, we got a pup. We got cream puff. It's a cute little puppy. Hold on. Look. All right, here. Ready? Here we go. Ready? Here. Yay! Looks like we got Mermaid Minnie. Ready to see Mermaid Minnie? Look! Mermaid Minnie! Lydia, look. You see her? Yeah, you like her? Is she cute? Yeah, that'll be nice to go in your little collection. See? You can collect Disney. Daddy will collect Pokemon for you for later on. So that's actually pretty cool. I like that the figurines are actually well made. Of course, it is by Disney, so I do expect it to be made fairly good. And there is our little lineup. We have Clarabelle, we have Cream Puff, the puppy, and then we have Minnie, Mermaid. I believe that these are all ones you can get. So we did get one that was fairly high up, which was Cream Puff. And we got two lower on the list ones. It would have been nice to get the glitter, but of course it's rare, so chances are very slim. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know we did, and this was real fun to open, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and hope you enjoyed.